In this question, you have to match the items given in list 1 with those in list 2. Now, the pons is a part of the hindbrain that connects different regions of the brain like a bridge. Hence, A matches with 3. The hypothalamus contains neurosecretory cells that produce hormones like oxytocin, vasopressin, which are stored in the posterior pituitary. Thus, B matches with 4. Now, medulla oblongata is a part of the hindbrain that regulates vital functions such as respiration, then heart rate, as well as gastric secretions. Thus, C matches with 2. And cerebellum is a part of the hindbrain that has a convoluted surface that provides space for more neurons, and it is responsible for maintaining posture, balance, and coordination. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option D.